Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix 0x643 error code, then let's look at the following solutions. So the first solution is to enter command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we have to input this command comspec equal to apostrophe c colon backslash windows backslash command.com. You will find this command in the description of this video. Simply copy and paste and press enter. Now the next thing we should do is we need to turn on the .NET framework, and we do that by looking for Windows features in the search bar. Turn Windows features on and off. Click on this. Alright, and you see this .NET framework here. Just expand it and click on both boxes. Expand it and both boxes are clicked. So just press OK. It will install the file and then restart your computer, and this should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.